Hi, I'm Bobby and this is Kathy, and she's one of my clients, and I have other clients that I work with. I support having a union because the increased numbers will help the supports and services for me as well as my clients, and it will help protect us and give us better services. What it means to me is that I would have job security, more protection. It would give me better benefits. For Kathy and my other clients, they would have help and services that they need to get on with their daily lives. The motivation I have is I love the satisfaction of helping others, the joy it gives them, the way they can live a life that others normally do on a daily basis that they can't without help. If there were cuts, it would affect us both as well as others. Cuts to me would mean I would lose clients, lose job, lose income. For her and for my other clients, it means their independence would be taken away, and that a happier life they just wouldn't be able to receive. So supporting the union would be a very good thing.